Hi, I just wanted to send or make this quick video on how to use a Flipgrid for the called workers appreciation videos that we are going to record. This is pretty easy. Hopefully, if you're at the point where what it looks like on my screen, that's probably the hardest part. So you just follow that link that we were giving or that you were given, and you'll come to this page right here. Then if you scroll down, it's just a little brief explanation of why we're doing this. And then if you keep scrolling, there should be a big plus sign. There might already be some videos recorded there, and that means that other people have recorded their videos. Uh, I would just record your own and, not me going into other people's videos just to be respectful. But you do whatever you feel or feels right. But go into the plus sign and you just record your response. It's going to ask to record a guest in this topic, provide your name and email. So you're just going to put your name, do whatever you feel comfortable with. Hopefully, you feel comfortable sharing your name since it's for our pastors. So you're going to put in your name. I'm Sarah Smith. And then your email address is optional. That's just if you want the video to be sent to your email. I don't really want that, so I'm not going to worry about it, but you can type your email address. Then you click Let's Go. Okay. And then a video pops up. So what you're gonna do is you can put a filter on, you can kind of have fun with it, you can make it pixelated. I don't know why you would want to do that, or you could just not mess with it at all and not worry about a filter, and that's fine. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click this record button right here. It's going to count you down 3, 2, 1, and you're going to record your video. So I might say something like, I really appreciate Pastor Gimbal and Pastor Meyer, how they've been recording so many sermons, the 8 a.m. and 8 o'clock at night, or 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. videos that Pastor Meyer has been doing. He's just been he's persevering and he's doing such an excellent job, and how Megan has been putting out all these opportunities for our kids to be continuing their, Christian learning at home. And I go on to talk about all this stuff. You have 2 minutes to say what you want to say, and then you're going to hit the pause sign, and that stops your video. Okay. Then you're going to click next. Okay. You can rewatch your video, and if you don't like it, like the one I recorded, I probably would have recorded another one because I sounded a little silly in some parts. If you do that, you can just click add more, or you can honestly just exit out of this. Careful not to click this capture, it's kind of weird, but you exit out of it and you can just record a new one. So it's great because you can record as many times as you want. Don't worry about these symbols here. Once you like your video, though, you can hit next. Okay, and then you take a selfie. So I'm gonna be silly. Take a selfie. And then you're going to click next. Oh, I don't like that selfie, so I'm just gonna wave hi. And you're gonna, if you like that, then you can take that one. I'm gonna hit next. Guys, see, I have no shame in the fact that I have a bun and covered in blanket. So display your name. You can put your full name. You can put whatever you want there, your title. So if you want, if you want to put like the whatever family you belong to link, you don't need that. That's like if you had a website or something. Don't worry about that. And then you submit your video. So all of you all are going to see my wonderful, ridiculous video here. And you can download your video or selfie on your computer, but you don't have to. I'm not going to worry about it. I don't need to see myself again. Hit complete. Okay. And then your video is going to show up here. Eventually, it just takes a second to load. And then the next person will be able to record. We like to see as many on here as possible recording, but just remember, I would just record the one video. But if you have multiple family members in your house and you each want to record your own, then that's totally fine. You just keep hitting record a response. You can record as many responses as you want. So hopefully that helps you out with how to use this. And I hope if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. My name's Sarah Smith. I'm Kevin Smith's wife. And you can email Darlene and she can direct you towards me if you need to. So have fun with it. And I hope that this is a great way for us to put our videos together for the called workers.